Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study for anatomy and physiology lectures. Start by previewing lecture slides and labeling diagrams before class to build context. Focus on core systems each week, draw simple charts, and link structure to function. Use active recall with flashcards, practice diagrams repeatedly, teach concepts aloud, and record quick audio summaries after lectures to reinforce memory. Review weekly to connect systems. Use active recall every study session to turn passive reading into durable knowledge. Create concise flashcards for terms, pathways, and measurements, then review with spaced intervals. Alternate between drawing unlabeled diagrams and annotating photos to test accuracy. Schedule short daily sessions focused on weak areas and mix systems to force retrieval. Finish with a quick self-quiz or teach-back to identify gaps and reinforce connections across structures. Organize notes so you can scan and retrieve facts quickly during review. Use consistent abbreviations, color coding for systems, and box summary points for each lecture. Supplement text notes with atlas images, short demonstration videos, and labeled apps to visualize depth. Combine solo practice with occasional study group sessions to quiz and teach each other, and set specific goals for each meeting to stay efficient and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.